Here we are editing the amenities gallery, which is just kind of a one-pager. It's a grid of all amenities so that people can kind of easily see and consume it all at once. This is also driven by the portfolio. So if we want to edit this page, we merely click Edit Page. The page you see is just a single portfolio element. And you see it shows the portfolio items that are tagged with amenities. So let's go over to our portfolio. And we see if we wanted to add a couple images, we would merely do Add New. We would title it. So let's say Demo Amenity. We tag it Amenities. And then we just add our featured image, same as last time. So say I wanted to add this picture of the sauna. I go up and I hit Publish. Okay. Now let's go ahead and add another. So I'm going to add Demo Amenity 2. Whoops. We want that in the title section, Demo Amenity 2, project category amenities, and we merely add our featured image. Let's add Sundeck. Publish. And let's add a third. So Demo Amenity 3. We tag it Amenities, and we set a featured image. Let's do this beer bar. Publish. And now when we go back to this amenity galleries page, we'll see we just added demo amenities 1, 2, and 3. And that'll always just open to a Lightbox image. So you saw the step was just add a portfolio, which we got to by clicking Edit Page. Then over here, Portfolio, Add New, name it with the title. So Add New, which is title, and then tagged it Amenities, and then added a featured image. That is the step.